Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Because in today's video I want to show you how you can create multiple YouTube channel under one email address, right? Because you can create as many YouTube channel as you want under this one email address. So you are just going to go to your Chrome browser and you type YouTube Studio. Always make sure that you put your phone on a desktop side so that it will give you that interface as if you are using a laptop, right? So when it opens, it's going to take you to this interface. So you are just going to scroll down and click on this setting down there. So after clicking on setting, you are going to see channel. You click on channel. So you are going to see advanced setting. You click on that. Then you're just going to scroll down till where you see manage manage YouTube account. You click on that. So after clicking on that, it will bring you to this particular interface. You are going to see channel status and features, add or manage your account. So just click on add or manage your account. So when you click on that, you are going to see that in this particular Gmail account I have two channels already, which is this my channel and this one I created. So for you to create another account, just click on create a channel and it just give it a little time to load up. And after that, always make sure you have a unique name for your channel so that you'll be able to differentiate it with the other ones you have. And you just go ahead and type in the name you want here. I don't want to create a channel. I have a lot of channels, so just type the name, and when you click on I understand, you now click on create. So when you create the channel, automatically the channel will be added to your previous channels. And that's that for this tutorial. Please guys, if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like those video, and also leave your comment in the comment section, and I'm gonna appreciate just that. All right, bye, see you in my next video.